I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline. I never land, just float there.
Hello guys, and what's going on everybody, and welcome back to another video. So recently, for a very short period of time, Microsoft is offering all Windows insiders who are currently running Windows 11 developer preview the ability to shift from the developer channel to beta builds without having to do a clean install of Windows 11. So in case if you downloaded Windows 11 by shifting to the developer channel using the OfflineInsiderEnroll Script, then you can't easily shift to the beta builds by just heading over to the settings app and then tapping on Windows Insider program as most people would. Because if you head over to the Windows Insider program settings, then you don't really have the option to shift from the developer channel to the beta build. So in this case, you have to shift from the developer channel to beta build using the same OfflineInsiderEnroll script. In order to do that, first off you need to install the OfflineInsiderEnroll script. So first head over to the link given in the description and right click on raw and tap on save link as, and then choose an appropriate location to download the file. I'm just gonna keep it in my Windows 11 downloads folder. Once installed, open it up and make sure to run the file as administrator. And then the command prompt box should pop up. From here, just type 2 on the keyboard and then press enter. Once that's done, just restart your PC.
A few moments later.
Once you restart your PC, head over to Settings, Windows Update, Windows Insider Program, and as you can see, the PC has shifted from Windows 11 developer channel to the beta build without losing any data. So guys, this way you will be able to shift from Windows 11 developer channel to beta channel without having to clean install Windows 11. And let me just remind you one more time, this is a one-time offer. Microsoft never really did anything like this and will never do anything like this ever again. So guys, if any one of you don't have much knowledge on how things work on Windows Insider program, I'll recommend you guys to shift from Windows 11 developer preview to beta channel, as they are far more stable than the developer channel previews. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram at mbilal4186. And this is Mohammed Bilal signing out.